Welcome back to Mentor Merlin's YouTube channel. Today we are sharing a real life case on assistance with DBS application for a candidate without a surname and how Mentor Merlin helped resolve it. One of our candidates needed to apply for a DBS certificate as part of her NMC process. However, she did not have a surname. To move forward, she initially applied through UCheck, a third-party verification service, as it allowed her to proceed without entering a surname. The application went through and ID check was completed, but later she received a request for information from the NMC, stating that the DBS certificate was not valid and that a new DBS was required. This is where Mentor Merlin stepped in. We guided the candidate to reapply for a new basic DBS certificate by using a simple but accepted solution, entering her given name multiple times in both forename and surname fields, or alternatively using dot or XXX in the surname field, depending on the system requirements. By following this guidance, the candidate successfully obtained a valid DBS certificate, uploaded it on the NMC portal, and her application moved forward smoothly without further issues. If you are facing similar challenges in your NMC journey, remember you are not alone. The right guidance can make all the difference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Mentor Merlin's YouTube channel. See you in the next video.